morning from our brand new house. I think this is the first vlog after Grapravesh from this house. So welcome to my new house. I am making bread this morning, and I'm making two different kind of sourdough bread. One is the regular ratio that I do, and the different one, then the other one is a new ratio that I'm trying. I want to see how they both work. Today is Nitish and Ashley's closing next door, so they are off to sign their paperwork, get the keys and all that good stuff, and they will start moving in tomorrow. And I have been working constantly, like opening boxes and this and that, so I got overexerted and cough cold, how it goes. So but right now let's quickly mix our bread so we have enough time to do the stretch and folds and all that stuff.
That's a great idea.
Okay.
And a lollipop and a gumball.
Everything?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in here.
That's two.
See how much it weighs. Just two?
Yeah.
Ah, I
I
see.
can play with you. You want a lollipop? You want a lollipop and a gumball? I want a lollipop and a gumball too.
Sure, I can take a lollipop and a gumball.
Me too.
Yeah.
We can trade together and I want to.
Yeah. I am gonna make a soup, chicken soup with some lots of veggies and some good spices so I can feel better my nose and throat. But before that, I want to open this package. It's a PR package, so let's open it.
It's a club.
Baby, close the freezer, please.
Middle house.
I didn't close the freezer.
Middle house.
This is one of the best things you can have in your kitchen. It is so handy. I've always seen so many people use it, and let's try it.
Hello.
Baby, do not play with the scissor. So it has two chopping blades. One is this size, one is this size, like a small pieces and then a little bit big pieces. And this is 6 mandolin slicer blades. You can see, baby, do not play with the scissor.
I don't play with toys. What's inside?
Oh look, what is this?
What? I know. Let's open it.
Open it.
Okay, I'll open it. It's so tight for me. Okay, I can open from here.
This is so your hand doesn't get any cut. So you hold this, put the vegetable in here and do it.
Ow!
And it is very solid. It's heavy. It's very good. Let me take these blades out. This.
Can I open it? I'm not opening it. Can you help me open it?
Yes, I'll help you. Yeah, take it out. And this is the bowl slash dish that you will use that will catch everything when you slice or cut, and it's a pretty good size, so you can literally just put everything. If you're making like a salad or something, just put everything here, put the dressing, toss it, and it's ready. It's like one pan. So for instance, you take this, you put this here, and then for example, if you wanna
This.
you want to use
What is
the
this?
grater, so you just put the grater
Ow.
in here like this, like so. Take the carrot or whatever you want to grate, put the veggie in here, or you can, if it's a long carrot, you can just hold it and just grate it and it will go right in there.
Ow.
What, baby? A small basket that can store all of your blades, and then when you don't want to use this, you just put this one in here.
On this top and put these first how I put in there. Can bring it.
This is the, maybe 1 second. You take this blade this or like this. Let's see, how does it go in? Oh, like this. You put it here like this. You put whatever you want to chop. I'm going to show you what I'm going to chop onion now. And then you just go boom. And it'll cut it into piece. And then you just take it out. And if you want to lock this, just press this and it won't come out. You want to unlock, just slide this. And this will come out. Even I didn't understood how to do this. Right, I did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring me it and show what it is.
Yeah, so me and Aiden are gonna use it and show it to you. It's that simple and so convenient and so fast. And then you also have this brush. If any of the veggies, anything gets stuck, you can always just press it down with this or like scrape it and it'll just come right off. So it's so convenient. I'm gonna make chicken soup, so let's cut up some onion. And for veggies, I am gonna do bottle gourd, so let's add that to it. I cut up the onion in 3 big slices, like you can see. All right, onion, chop it up. Press. Come on, press. Press. All right. There you go. You can see all the onion will go directly in there. It's pretty easy to push it. He just don't have the energy to it. But here, see, over here.
More onion.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much onion in there.
Good? Happy?
Yeah. And lots of it. All right. Can you give me this and
Put it in there.
put it here?
Yeah. And smash it. You got it. You got it. Come on. Use your energy. Come on. You got it. Yay! Good job. Did it go in there?
Yeah, I did
It's right in there. All right. Let me help you.
it. See? And now it's, see?
See?
Oh, yay!
Shh. Slowly.
Yeah.
Yay. See? It's so smooth.
Let me do it.
Okay, you do it. Come on. You can do it. Whoa.
Yay! We did it. We need more.
Yeah.
Happy Chris.
Okay. Baby, be careful with your hand, okay? So these blades are very, very sharp. So your kid needs to be very careful or you need to be very careful. Press, you got it. Oh, sorry. Press. There you go.
Yay! Yay! Oops, it dropped. We are doing some stuff. We are doing.
So it's very smooth and very easy. It's not like you have to put too much of pressure to cut it. Very smooth. I love it. I absolutely love it. And all done, baby. Let me show it real quick. And what I'm gonna do is I will put the link in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And it's a very convenient and easy thing. If your kid is going to college, you can always give them this. And just like me, you can use it at home as well. It's so easy and convenient. Soup is ready to be pressure cooked. There's chicken, veggies, like you can see. I wish I had carrot and celery. I would have added that also, but I don't have that. But it's gonna be super delicious, super healthy, and very soothing. This is my office. It's still getting put together, but I have to build Aiden's. It's like a closet cabinet, so I'm gonna build that right now. Meanwhile, lunch is cooking, so let's go ahead and build this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
I'm taking a break, gonna go downstairs and eat some lunch because soup is ready and I'm very, very hungry. And then we also have to build Mayang's office. So yeah, alright. Let's check the soup and shred the chicken. soup came out to be perfect, and I am just shredding the chicken, cutting it a little bit.
So yummy.
Yeah, and Iden has already started eating the chicken. Here you go.
Okay.
I'll give you in your high chair. Come on, in your big boy chair.
Oh, I can take it.
But let me give you soup.
I want soup.
Yeah, I'll give you soup. I will bring the bowl for you.
Bowl? Is
Yeah.
this the bowl?
Yeah, you can take the chicken and eat it, and I'll bring you some. Big. That was so heavy, so tight again.
Can you take it?
Let me give you soup. How will you go without the soup? Give me the bowl.
Oh, I can get in the bench.
Here, sit in that chair here.
Not in the bench.
Okay. This is how the soup looks. Absolutely delicious. I am gonna taste it and check for salt.
Okay, let's go. Bye. Are you bringing your soup?
Yeah, I'm just tasting the salt.
Your mama tastes like that too.
Mind blowing. So good again.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
So delicious.
Hi, bringing me the soup.
Yeah.
And see. What, chicken? Yeah. More chicken again?
It is, what is the time? It's 6 o'clock in the evening. I finished making Iden's the closet organizer, and we also did start Mayank's office a little bit, but right now we're taking a break. We just came back from the walk with Marvel, and we're gonna put up our curtains, and I don't know what we're doing for dinner, so let's see what we decide, but for now let's go ahead and put the curtains. I know. So we ended up deciding on Maggie, because I think that was the quickest and we were very tired. And then for Iden, we are making buttered noodles that I already made, and he just took the plate. So yeah, and yeah, and tonight we are gonna make all the furniture for Mayank's office. That's the goal. My nose, my cold is terrible, but anyways, we finished Mayank's one cabinet in the office. It's not difficult, it just takes a lot of time, but we finished one. We have 2 more left, but let me show you the one that we finished. He's just still doing the temporary fixings. Yeah, and then
my office is working.
yeah, but this is the cabinet that we finished. It is a beautiful, beautiful, heavy, big piece. Very heavy. And the finish and everything, as you can see, it's amazing. I mean, I love it. Looked very good on the picture, but it definitely looks very, very good in person. Ow! Alright, I'm gonna take Mara for a quick pee outside, and then we're gonna go to bed. We're gonna see you in our next vlog, hopefully tomorrow.
No, I don't want no rest.